The Secret Vault of the Gujarat Merchants, Part 2. Is money running away from you like you've got cooties? When you walk into a store, instead of saying, "Welcome, sir," do people whisper, "Oh no, the debtor is back"? Well, I've got good news. The legendary Gujarat merchants don't chase money. In fact, money follows them around crying, "Hey, Seth, please don't leave me." Want to know the secret sauce? Let's dive back into the story. Quick recap. Our hero, Dharmalingam, was running so fast after money that his shoes gave up on him. His friend tells him the secret is in Ahmedabad. So Dharma catches the first train and meets the legendary Shantilal Bhansali. The Seth looks at him and drops a truth bomb. Money isn't a maid, she's a queen. If you chase her, she runs. If you have the merit, she comes to you. To explain this, the Seth starts a story, and by the end, Dharma's life is about to flip upside down. The Seth stops his swinging chair, looks Dharma straight in the eye, and taps his diamond ring on the wood. Tap, tap, tap. "Dharma," he says, "this is the Gujarati Gita. Master this, and money won't just find you, it'll stalk you." Secret number 1, the win-win formula. In business, most people think, how can I trick the guy in front of me? We don't. If I make $10 profit, I want my customer to feel like they just got $100 worth of value. If I sell a pound of lentils, I won't cheat by even a gram. Why? Because the tiny profit from cheating is peanuts compared to the $1,000,000 advertisement of being called honest. Happy customers bring their wives, kids, uncles, and neighbors. That is real profit. Secret number 2, every dollar is a soldier. When most people earn $1,000, they celebrate with a fancy dinner and a new gadget. Not us. To us, every dollar is a soldier. Does a general let his soldiers sit around doing nothing? No. We send them to the battlefield. Investment. When that soldier returns, he shouldn't come back alone. He needs to bring 2 more prisoners. Profit. You spend money to lose it. We put money to work to grow it. Secret number 3, the honey tongue. Anger is poison in business. If a customer screams, "Your product is trash," you don't scream back. You smile and say, "You're right, sir. We might have missed something. But feel this quality. You'll come back just for this." If your tongue is dipped in honey, your cash box will never be bitter. A smiling face is a magnet for wealth. A light bulb, no, a 1,000-watt LED went off in Dharma's head. He realized he had been a hunter, but money is like a shadow. As he left, the Seth gave him one final tip. Tonight, don't think about whose pocket you can pick. Think about whose problem you can solve. Solve the people's problems, and the people will solve your money problems. Dharma went back and started a small Tiffin Center. He put up a funny sign, "Satisfaction is free, breakfast costs money." He used the win-win formula. While others charged $20, he charged $10. People asked, "Dharma, aren't you losing money?" He'd smile and say, "I only need $1 profit per plate. Your wow is my real asset." When a customer complained about the salt, instead of fighting, Dharma gave him a free sweet and a fresh bowl. That customer was so impressed, he brought 20 office colleagues the next day. Dharma didn't buy a new iPhone. He took his soldier dollars and bought another stove and hired a delivery boy. His army was growing. 1 year later, Dharma's cash box is overflowing. He's sitting on his own swing chair now. His new mantra? Give people value honestly, and money will run after you until it's out of breath. He even sent a parcel to the Seth in Ahmedabad with a note, "Seth, you were right. I stopped chasing money. Now money is following me like a lost puppy." The lesson? The man who chases money stays poor. The man who makes himself useful gets chased by money. Outro. So you've learned how to attract money, but how do you keep it from leaving as fast as it came? How do you make that money have babies? That's the real trick, and we're going to break it down in the next video. To make sure you don't miss it, smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell like it's a Gujarati Seth's doorbell. If you like this, hit the like button. It's free, I promise. And if you have a friend who is still running out of breath chasing dollars, share this video to help them out. See you in the next one. Peace. Next video, how to double your money.